Fart, the Foundation 1. Intro, the problem with reality. What if everything you've ever been told about light is only half the truth? What if light doesn't travel through the universe, but only happens when the universe listens? Welcome to Fart, the Field and Resonance Theory, a poetic, scientific, and slightly rebellious attempt to redefine everything, starting with nothing. 2. What is ether? What is a field? Imagine a silence that contains all possible songs. That's the ether. Now imagine a single note being played. That's a field. In Fart, ether is not a substance, it's a landscape of potential. A hidden memory of everything that could ever happen. The field is what happens when parts of that silence begin to resonate, when potential becomes pattern. 3. What is a conflux? A conflux is not an explosion. It's not an event in time, it's a collision of potential. In classical physics, we say light is emitted from a source and travels through space. In Fart, light does not move. It emerges only at the moment of resonance, the instant when something is ready to receive it. Light is not a traveler, it is a reaction. 4. Darkness as structure. Darkness is not the absence of light, it is the result of light that never had the chance to land. And yet, even light that never finds a mirror creates something. A shape in the void, a structure in silence, a pulse with no reply. 5. Time and space as resonance effects. Time is not a line. Space is not a container. In Fart, both are effects of rhythm. If two things vibrate in sync, they feel close, even across galaxies. If their rhythms clash, they feel distant, even when side by side. So distance is not measured in kilometers, but in felt dissonance. Time is not counted in seconds, but in how long it takes to align. 6. The next steps, beyond the known. What if dark matter is not a missing mass, but a resonant echo of missed reactions? What if the universe is not expanding because of dark energy, but because the field itself is reaching out, still searching for a reply? And what if redshift isn't a Doppler effect, but resonance fading, like the last hum of a distant bell? In the next chapters of Fart, we'll explore spiral math and the secret geometry of pi shadow logic, and the art of listening to what isn't there, why particles may be echoes, not objects, and how ancient knowledge may already contain the code. Outro, the pulse of possibility. Fart is not just a theory, it's a question. What happens when the universe listens to itself? And maybe, just maybe, we are that reply.